friend, today we are going to study the simulation of half-wave rectifier. So let's get started. The software. Okay, then click on new project. Type here as half-wave rectifier. Then click on next, and then finish. For now component. Now place the component. For placing component, click on P. Select the required component. First we are required for diode. That for selecting diode, click on type in this 1N4001. Therefore double click on here. Okay, the diode is on, the diode is selected. Now click now type register. Okay, register is here, double click on it. Now select transformer. Okay, below next. Okay, this is the simple transformer. The alternator, basically it is a AC source, so which is produce AC signal at a particular signal frequency, whichever we want to give it. Okay, then double click on it. It is here. First select the alternator, click here, place it here, and then select the transformer, then place it to here. Okay, then select diode, place it here. Okay, then select register, place it here, right click on register, then rotate at it anti-clockwise or clockwise if you want. Select it and drag and drop here, so the circuit will be more convenient to see. Okay, now connect these lines, connect this here, connect this here. Okay, now change the required value of registers and that alternator. I want register of 1 kilo. Okay, click on OK, double click on alternator. Reference value, amplitude is I want amplitude is 230 volt and frequency to be 60 hertz. Okay, this is our circuit. For checking the output, we can connect oscilloscope. For oscilloscope, click on this meter sign and select the oscillator, and then select it here, then select then connect it to channel A or channel B if you want, and now give it to ground. Okay, ground, you place here the ground. Okay, this is our circuit. Okay, now we are going to run this. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, this is our out. Okay, this is amplitude. Okay, you can see here